Do we even eat pies? If you're vertically challenged like I am, it's definitely not going to protect me in another rollover. So it seems like I know everything, but actually I don't. Before I said anything good about it, there is one small thing I want to point out.
Oh, here we go.
How's it going, guys? I am now in Melbourne, Australia. Yes, I am being a tourist, sightseeing. And you know what sightseeing means to me? Guess where I am? Not sure if you can see the logo, but guess where I am? This is going to be exciting. We will come out to see that in a bit. I know you guys want to see it. I want to check it out too, but I want to kind of see the showroom first. Oh yeah, showroom under renovation. Please be careful. I guess we'll try to please be careful. I reckon this really isn't a good time to show you guys the showroom. Let's not disturb their work. Go check out the 76. Oh yeah, so that tent is the one as we speak. It's been mounted on the Hilux now. Man has been helping me with that sort of thing since I'm in Australia. I got to see the photo before I get to use it, but at least hey, it's on in Canada, so I'm excited. Because now I do need to consider two-person camping. Not like before, if I sleep in a car, obviously sleep one, you can have so much space. But now, if you want to incorporate two, then sort of need to have a roof tent. Alright, so the inside has got a lot of pouches up there for all of your belongings, or even a clear pouch if you want to, I don't know, watch some videos, watch my YouTube and put your iPad up there. Okay, it was sunny earlier, and right now there's probably this one piece of cloud. It's been following me on my way here, and now it caught up to me. But hey, this is what you have a awning for, and that's why I don't understand how you can say awning is not important. I mean, said by nobody, I guess. Ever since I had my awning, let's actually stand underneath it. It's been one of my most used hot-mounted gear on the roof. All the other stuff, like a shovel or what else do I have on it? Oh, solar panel doesn't move, but like the awning is the one that I touch the most. That's on my roof. So if you don't know, in Australia, alu-cab is distributed by Ironman 4x4. So what we're seeing here now, this awning and then this roof tent configuration, it's all from Alucab. They have a roof top sort of thing, and then the whole roof tent sort of sit on the gutter, and everything is sealed, and there's bolts holding them together, solid, just like how your house roof is secured. And you essentially just go in, and it's a pass-through roof tent, pop-up tent, almost like you know, in the back of a truck, there's those pass-through roof tent, but this one is in like a trippy kind of style body that you can go into a car and then through your roof that doesn't exist anymore. Very, very cool. This side door thing is actually custom made by, I don't even know who, the Cruiser company? I think they're just down the road from here actually. I like how it sort of curves on the edge along with the body too, instead of normally you would just have one piece of glass sitting on it, and here I suppose later on will be a mini bar with like glass hangers and stuff like that, and then while in the back is a full custom drawer setup. You have your table, prep surface, your fridge. I don't know if we're getting this fridge because right now it's Ironman's fridge, but I don't remember seeing them in Canada. Maybe they have, I just didn't really pay attention. But yeah, steel construction, really cool stuff. And the little oven thing, also Ironman their own. I don't think we have that. Pretty sure we don't. But it will be cool to, you know, while you're driving, heat up your pie, whatever. Do we even eat pies? Your sandwich, whatever, you know. On the other side though, also allow a lot of space if you want to roll in, I don't know, a baby seat sort of stuff. Otherwise, you have all of your modular boxes, you can have those, just stack them on top of each other as a side storage, or like here, it will be just a step for you to get into the back. Like if you're vertically challenged like I am. Well, in the back here, you have your pass-through pop-up tent, as I mentioned earlier, a couple pouches on the wall ceiling there, and then this board that flips down eventually is going to be your bed, and when it flips up, allow you the whole height for standing. Out here on this side, you see a shower cubby. It will open up basically like a mini awning, but it's in a square, so you can close up, have a private shower room sort of deal. Ironman have their own, I'm not sure in Australia, but at least in Canada. I will put that on and I will show you guys how it's done. Oh, actually this one here will be very similar to what I have on top of my Hilux. I will actually have a new shower system set up too, so hopefully it doesn't get too cold when I'm back. I can still use an outdoor shower. We'll see, we'll see. That's a maybe. And then the roof tent, I just noticed it's got a lot of molly panel on the side too. Will be ideal to hang all of your random shovel sort of things on there. Just more storage on top, you know. And then perhaps because it's part of the roof, maybe some of the roof load rating things will go differently too. Don't quote me on that, but it just seems more solid than, you know, a gutter mounted crossbar kind of deal to load a lot of things. So regarding the Bullbar, I am trying to get Hilux Bullbar to ship to Canada right now. Again, because it's a vehicle specific, either we'll need to sort something from Australia, Japan, anywhere that actually sold a Hilux, or we'll probably have to make something of our own, and I'm not really at the level of being able to fabricate my own bumper yet, but luckily we seem to be able to get something sorted, so I actually really look forward to have a proper bumper and brush bar, the side rails, and rear bumper on. Bullbar, brush rails, rear bumper. Yeah, because you guys know how the sheet metal origami kind of bumper I have on it right now. It looks cool, but yeah, it's definitely not going to protect me in another rollover. Yeah. Alright everybody, I have Mark here, is the head of marketing.
That's it, and Lewis.
Here in Ironman, Australia. Oh, the trucks are very annoying right now, but I hope you guys can hear us. I just want to sort of introduce you guys about the main person that sort of showed me about the truck. So it seems like I know everything, but actually I don't. Mark already told me before I show you guys. But yeah, about Ironman, there is, before I said anything good about it, there is one small thing I want to point out.
Oh, here we go.
That if you've been doing four-wheel drive sort of modification thing for long enough in North America, a lot of you probably have come across Ironman 4x4 parts, and then the feedback I've heard a lot of time is they're kind of a pain ass to deal with. The quality is good, I like their stuff, I don't really like their customer service. Because I believe back then Ironman had a distributor only.
Yeah, well look,
in the States?
That's right. So about 3 years ago, we actually set up our own distribution and warehousing in America. We own the company over there, and we own, you know, the staff are our staff. We're all, you know, one big Ironman family, and having that means that we can ensure that the quality of our customer service and distribution methods in the States is as it should be, and the expectation that we expect here in Australia. So 100%, we expect that the customer service is absolutely top notch, and we'd of course want to hear if we're not hitting that bar.
Yeah, definitely. So this is the one thing that I brought up to them too. I actually talked to the North American team right now. They have their own team on the ground in Oregon I actually need to go check out that space first. But I mean, I came here first to the actual OG HQ. But yeah, you guys got before they had a distributor, but right now is their actually own in-house team. So pretty sure you can get some response if you have any complaint.
Yeah, no, not only do we have obviously just a customer service team over there, but we've actually got developers over there. So we're actually developing product on the ground in the States. We've got a full warranty team, product experts. So this isn't just a warehouse distribution customer service team over there. We've got a full establishment over in the States.
All right, since you guys are in the States, is there any US specific model that's been in the development process?
Oh, absolutely. We actually look heavily to the States for all the kind of growing trends. I mean, realistically, we've got a great base here. Australia's kind of, as far as we're concerned, it's kind of ground zero for full driving. We've got some of the toughest conditions at the train, the outback. But realistically, over in the States, we just know that there's such a great appetite for overlanding and getting out there. So, we commonly look at the sales of truck sales. We're looking at Silverados and Rams. We've been developing on Silverado and Ram for quite a while now. We've got our Raid series of bars, bumpers that are available. We've actually just landed one of the new F-150s, which we brought in from the States.
Oh, so it's a left-hand drive.
Yeah, it is left-hand drive.
Cool.
We will be converting it. We've actually got a Tacoma down there in the shed as well, which is still left-hand drive.
Oh.
That we did all our development work for.
Yeah.
So the F-150's here, so we'll be starting to work on that pretty quickly. But then we're also looking at a lot of that SUV market. We've done a lot of work with the Subaru guys. We know that the Foresters and the XBs and the Outbacks are quite popular. So we've been doing
the Subis, yeah.
So we've been doing 2-inch lifts, and we're looking at some other bits and pieces to maybe just really elevate that experience. RAV4s we know are another big soft road vehicle over there, so we're looking at
Did you just say soft
road compact vehicle, compact utility, which we use. We're definitely doing a lot of development work in that space as well. So absolutely looking to see what we can do to keep the States and our customers over there happy.
Cool. Yeah, I definitely look forward to how my Hilux is going to come out when I go back. I'm not super in a rush to leave Australia yet, but we'll get there.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mark.
No worries.
One quick update since I visited the headquarters in Melbourne. On the North American side, Eric has just brought the Hilux to Oregon, to the North American headquarters near Portland. Picked up some parts for the Hilux, and since their showroom is not under renovation, here's a little sneak peek of what that looks like on the North American side. And while in Oregon, he brought the Hilux to the sand dune for a test trip. Everything's performing pretty well. A few things that need fine-tuning, and we definitely find we will need a proper canopy because the adapted version from a Tacoma just doesn't sit very well, and over time the weight kind of pushes it down. That's something we'll definitely need to figure out in the near future, but for now, Hilux is alive again. Can't wait to do a trip in it. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon.
I'm a little vertically challenged.